Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to clear the cache in Snapchat on your devices. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. If you want to clear the Snapchat cache, on your Android phones, on any of your Android phones, you'll need to go to Settings. You'll need to open the tab called Apps. Now I open Manage Apps and wait for the download to go through. And after that, in the search box, we write the word Snapchat. We find this application. Next, we open Storage. Here we have Total, App Size, User Date, and Cache. We click Clear Date and click Clear Cache. OK. As you can see, we have cleared the cache, and now we have zero cache. This is a simple way to clear cache in Snapchat. And also, this method works for absolutely any game and absolutely any application. If you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. Goodbye.